No matter your age, you're going to love today's fast and easy way to put dinner on the table. Howard shows us how to make sesame chicken with honey sauce in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If you're stuck wondering what to make for dinner, wonder no more. Today's recipe is easy, adult and kid friendly, and is on the table in less than 30 minutes. Check this out. We begin by cutting some boneless chicken breasts into strips. You can even use chicken tenders if you want. They're actually a bit cheaper. We dip these in a mixture we made by whisking together an egg, cornstarch, and a bit of soy sauce. We'll let them soak for a few minutes. In the meantime, in a plastic bag, we combine some breadcrumbs, sesame seeds, garlic powder, and a bit of salt. Then we give that a good shake. Now we add the chicken, a few pieces at a time. Seal the bag and shake it until it's evenly coated. This is a lot easier than hand breading it, where we usually get more coating on our fingers than on our chicken. We place the chicken on a baking sheet and spray them with cooking spray before popping them in the oven. Once the chicken is cooked through and the breading is golden, they're ready. Serve these up with an easy homemade honey dipping sauce, step back and get ready for all sorts of compliments. To get the recipe for our fun-to-eat sesame chicken with honey sauce, just visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tender as can be way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4-state market prices.